Welcome back. In this video, we shall guide you how to configure and navigate through the CRM section of our accounting ERP software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. Leads. This is where you create, define, and list leads for your organization. From the main window, select Leads. Click Create. Type lead subject. Select user or employee. Type lead details, that is, name, email and phone number. Click Create. To edit lead, select the lead from the lead list, select Edit icon. Edit the lead details, then click Update. To delete lead, select lead from the lead list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. To import leads, click on Import icon. Download the CSV template. Update the CSV file, then upload. To export leads, click on Export icon. Repeat this process for the other leads. Deals. This is where you create, define, and list deals for your organization. From the main window, select Deals. Click Create. Type the deal, amount, client, and phone number. Click Create. To edit deal, select the deal from the deal list, select Edit icon. Edit the deal details, then click Update. To delete deal, select deal from the deal list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. To import L deals, click on Import icon. Download the CSV template. Update the CSV file, then upload. To export deals, click on Export icon. Repeat this process for the other deals. Form Builder. This is where you create new forms. From the main window, select Form Builder. Click Create. Type form name, select whether active or inactive. Click Create. To edit form, select the form from the form list, select Edit icon. Edit the form details, then click Update. To add or delete fields in a form, select the form from the form list, select Fields icon. Add or delete fields. To delete form, select form from the form list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat this process for the other forms. Contract. This is where you generate contracts for the clients. From the main window, select Contract. Click Create. Type the contract title or subject. Select the client, project, and contract type. Enter contract value. Set the start and end date. Type contract description. Click Create. To edit contract, select the contract from the contract list, select Edit icon. Edit the contract details, then click Update. To delete contract, select contract from the contract list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. To process the contract, click View. Here you can edit the General, Attachment, Comment and Notes section. Add signature, then send via email or download to print. Repeat this process for other contracts. CRM System Setup. This is where you do setup for the CRM fields in all sections discussed above. To create pipeline, select CRM System Setup, then Pipeline. Click Create, type pipeline name. Click Create to save. To create lead stages, select CRM System Setup, then Lead Stages. Click Create, type lead stage, assign to a pipeline. Click Create to save. You can drag and drop to rearrange the stages. To create deal stages, select CRM System Setup, then Deal Stages. Click Create, type Deal Stage, assign to a pipeline. Click Create to save. You can drag and drop to rearrange the stages. To create sources, select CRM System Setup then Sources. Click Create, type source name. Click Create to save. To create labels, select CRM System Setup then Labels. Click Create, type labels, assign to a pipeline, select color. Click Create to save. To create contract type, select CRM System Setup then Contract Type. Click Create, type contract type name. Click Create to save. For more clarifications on the above demo video or technical support, kindly reach us out through the comment section below or email us at info@accountingorsystemsoftware.online.